Hello, good morning guys. Andito tayo guys sa herbal na naman tayo guys. Ito para sa diabetes, high blood, anti-cancer to guys. So ito guava, bay leaf, guavano, and mango. Ito yung guys. So mango, guayabano, bay leaf, guava. Yun, dami natin ng mango guys. So pakuluan natin to sa 1 liter guys. Yan. At herbal natin guys for today. Good morning. Ito guys, okay na kayo mag-take ng medicine guys. Ito na guys. Kasi makasira yung kidney, yung mga kung sino may high blood guys. Ito yung i-take ninyo guys. Pakuluan lang ninyo to guys ng 10 minutes. Tapos yun, imnon ninyo guys. Sige, bye bye.